Understanding the ISF penalty assessment process. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing an important topic in the customs brokerage field, ISF penalty assessment and its process. As an importer or a customs broker, being aware of the penalties associated with importer security filing, ISF, non-compliance is crucial to avoid any costly mistakes. So, let's dive right in and explore the process of ISF penalty assessment. Understanding ISF non-compliance. ISF, also known as 10+2, is a required filing by the U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, for ocean shipments coming into the United States. It is mandatory for importers to file detailed information about their shipment at least 24 hours before loading it onto a vessel. Failure to comply with the ISF requirements can result in penalties imposed by the CBP. Factors affecting ISF penalties. The CBP takes ISF compliance seriously and considers several factors when assessing penalties. These factors include, but are not limited to: late filing. Submitting the ISF after the 24-hour deadline may lead to penalties. Inaccurate information. Providing incorrect or incomplete information in the ISF can also result in penalties. Amendments. Making changes to the ISF after submission without proper notification to the CBP can lead to penalties. The ISF penalty assessment process. When a violation of ISF requirements occurs, the CBP initiates the penalty assessment process. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of how it works. Notice of violation. The CBP sends a notice of violation, November, to the party responsible for filing the ISF. The November outlines the specific non-compliance issues and includes a deadline to respond. Response to the November within the specified timeframe. They can either accept the violation or provide a response explaining why they believe the violation is incorrect or should be mitigated. Penalty calculation. Once the CBP receives the response, they evaluate the information provided and calculate the penalty amount. The penalty is usually based on a specific formula outlined in the CBP regulations. Penalty notice. After the penalty amount is determined, the CBP issues a penalty notice to the party responsible for the violation. This notice includes the penalty amount, payment instructions, and a deadline for payment. Appealing a penalty. If the recipient of the penalty notice disagrees with the assessment, they have the right to appeal. The appeals process involves submitting additional documentation and arguments to support their case. It is essential to consult with a customs attorney or an experienced customs broker to navigate the appeals process effectively. And that's a wrap for today's video on ISF penalty assessment and its process. Remember, staying compliant with ISF regulations is essential to avoid penalties that could significantly impact your business. Stay tuned for our future videos, where we will cover more topics related to customs brokerage and international trade. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.